Melusi Gigaba, who's currently facing charges related to corruption at Transnet, has handed himself over to the Investigating Directorate Against Corruption, known also as EIDEC, in Pretoria. My name is Oalokwan, and these are the news that matter the most. Melusi Gigaba has met with EIDEC in Pretoria but hasn't been arrested or charged. He is cooperating with the authorities regarding allegations of corruption at Transnet. Now, specifically the 54 billion locomotive deal during his tenure as Minister of Public Enterprises from the year of 2010 to the year 2014. Now, Gigaba maintains his innocence, stating that his conscience is clear regarding his conduct in office. He also mentioned that his actions have always been guided by policy, process, and the value of accountability. Now, the investigation centers on irregular procurement contracts and payments worth billions of rands, and several former Transnet executives, including ex-CEO Mr. Brian Molefe and former CFO Anuj Singh, have already faced court on fraud and corruption charges. Now, Gigaba's sermons form part of the NPA's broader state capture cleanup, which has seen multiple arrests and court appearances involving former executives and board members from state-owned entities such as Transnet and the Eskom.